Cynful Creamy Ranch Chicken tonight. Start by trimming the fat and loose pieces from 2 large chicken breasts. Slice the chicken breasts in half lengthwise. Wash your hands with soap and water. Season both sides of each piece of chicken with salt, pepper, and Cynful Italian Seasoning. Brush one side of each piece of chicken with cooled melted butter. Preheat skillet and add olive oil. Spread the oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Place the chicken butter side down in the pan, 2 at a time. Sear until golden brown on both sides. Remove and set aside. Continue until all the chicken has been seared. Deglaze the pan with white wine, scraping all the bits off the bottom. Simmer and reduce the liquid by half. Add cream of chicken soup to the pan. To that, add the milk and the cream while stirring. Add the sour cream, and finally add the Cynful Ranch seasoning mix. Stir to incorporate and simmer for 5 minutes. Return the chicken to the pan. And spoon the sauce over the top of the chicken to cover it. Cover loosely and simmer for 10 minutes. Or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Stir one more time to make sure all the chicken is covered with the sauce. Sprinkle with parsley flakes or minced fresh parsley and dill. Dinner is served. Here is the recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, food tastes better when shared with family.